In this course, you'll learn about network management, focusing on the Simple Network Management Protocol, or SNMP, and network monitoring tools. First, understand the SNMP architecture, including its components and how they interact. Then, dive into Management Information Bases, or MIBs, and Object Identifiers, or OIDs, to grasp how information is organized and accessed. Afterward, learn the different SNMP versions and their security implications. Finally, explore various network monitoring tools that utilize SNMP to keep an eye on network performance and health. Simple Network Management Protocol, or SNMP, is an Internet standard protocol used for collecting and organizing information about managed devices on Internet protocol networks. It helps network administrators monitor and manage network performance. SNMP was standardized in 1988, as defined in Request for Comments 1067. It operates at the application layer of the OSI model and uses User Datagram Protocol, or UDP, ports 161 for agents and 162 for the manager. An SNMP manager, which is a network management system or NMS, sends requests like GET and SET to devices like routers, switches, and servers, which are acting as agents. The agents respond to these requests. Additionally, agents can send unsolicited traps to the manager to report significant events. The key components of SNMP architecture are the SNMP manager, the SNMP agent, the management information base, and the SNMP protocol. The SNMP manager is the central system that monitors the network by collecting, processing, and analyzing information from agents. The SNMP agent is a software module on managed devices, such as routers, switches, and servers, that collects and stores management information, making it available to managers. The Management Information Base, or MIB, is a hierarchical database of information that defines variables used by the managed device. The SNMP protocol defines message formats and procedures for communication between managers and agents. The SNMP manager sends requests to SNMP agents to retrieve or set information. These agents consult their management information bases to fulfill these requests. SNMP operations include GET, GET-NEXT, GET-BULK, SET, and TRAP. The GET operation retrieves the value of a specific object identifier, or OID, from an agent's management information base, or MIB. GET-NEXT retrieves the value of the next OID in the MIB tree. GET-BULK efficiently retrieves large blocks of data and is available in SNMP version 2C and version 3 only. SET modifies the value of a specific OID on the agent. TRAP is an asynchronous notification from the agent to the manager about significant events. All operations, except for TRAP, are initiated by the SNMP manager, while TRAP is sent by the agent without being requested. For example, the commands SNMP GET, option v2c, option c public, Internet Protocol Address 192.168.1, sysdesker.0 is used for GET operation. The command SNMP GET-NEXT, option v2c, option c public, Internet Protocol Address 192.168.1, ifdesker is used for GET-NEXT operation. The command SNMP SET, option v2c, option c private, Internet Protocol Address 192.168.1, syscontact.0, lowercase s, admin@example.com is used for SET operation. These examples use the Net-SNMP command line tools. Option v2c specifies SNMP version, option c specifies the community string. A Management Information Base, or MIB, is a hierarchical database that defines the properties of managed objects accessible via the Simple Network Management Protocol, or SNMP. It organizes network management information, defines data types, access rights, and relationships. Standardized MIBs like MIB2 exist for common network devices. Object identifiers, or OIDs, are unique identifiers that specify the exact location of an object in the MIB tree. They are represented as a sequence of integers separated by dots. For example, 1.3.6. 1.0 represents the system description. OIDs can be referenced by their numeric or text form. Starting from the root node named ISO with Object Identifier 1, the tree expands to Organizational, Department of Defense, Internet, Directory Management, Private, and finally to MIB2 with Object Identifier 1.3.6.1.2.1. There are three main versions of SNMP, namely SNMP version 1, SNMP version 2C, and SNMP version 3. SNMP version 1 is the original standard defined in Request for Comments 1157. It has a simple community-based security model and supports basic operations such as get, getNext, and set, but has limited error handling. Its security uses plain text community strings without encryption or authentication. SNMP version 1 is widely deployed but is insecure. SNMP version 2C enhances performance by adding get bulk operations, improving error handling, and supporting 64-bit counters. However, it uses the same community-based security model as version 1, with no encryption or authentication improvements, making it still insecure. SNMP version 3 is a security-focused redesign that uses a user-based security model, supporting the same operations as version 2C. Its security features include authentication using Message Digest 5 or secure hash algorithm, encryption using Data Encryption Standard or Advanced Encryption Standard, message integrity checking, and protection against replay attacks. It is recommended for all new deployments. Several network monitoring tools utilize SNMP to provide network visibility and management. Nagios is an industry-standard open-source monitoring system for hosts, services, and network infrastructure. It provides monitoring of network services such as Simple Mail Transfer Protocol and Hypertext Transfer Protocol, host resource monitoring such as Central Processing Unit and disk usage, and customizable alerts and notifications. Cacti is a web-based network monitoring and graphing tool designed as a front-end for RR tool. It provides advanced graph templating, multiple data acquisition methods, and user-based management and permissions. Zabbix is an enterprise-class open-source monitoring solution for networks and applications. It offers real-time monitoring and alerting, auto-discovery of network devices, and distributed monitoring with proxies. PRTG Network Monitor is a commercial all-in-one network monitoring solution with an intuitive interface. It provides unified monitoring of networks, systems and applications, customizable dashboards and maps, and mobile apps for operating system and Android. Implementation guidelines for SNMP include the following best practices. Always use SNMP version 3 with authentication and encryption for secure monitoring. Implement access control lists to limit SNMP access to authorized monitoring stations. If using SNMP version 1 or version 2C, change default community strings and treat them as passwords. Monitor and log SNMP traffic for suspicious activities and unauthorized access attempts. Keep SNMP implementations updated with the latest security patches and firmware. For secure configuration in the SNMP daemon configuration file, create an SNMP version 3 user with authentication and privacy by using the command create user security admin, SHA, authentication password 123, AES, privacy password 456. Grant read-only access to the user using the command browser security admin priv. Restrict access to a specific network by using the command agent address UDP port 161, UDP 6:1:1:161, raw community secret 127.0.0.1, raw community 6 secret:1. When implementing SNMP version 3, use strong passwords for both authentication and privacy, and regularly rotate these credentials as part of your security policy. In summary, SNMP is a standardized protocol for network management that enables monitoring and management of network devices. The SNMP architecture consists of managers, agents, and management information bases organized in a hierarchical structure with unique object identifiers. SNMP version 3 provides essential security features and should be used instead of older versions whenever possible. Various network monitoring tools leverage SNMP to provide comprehensive network visibility and management. Implementing security best practices is crucial for safe and effective SNMP deployment. As a practical application, apply these concepts by setting up a basic monitoring system using one of the tools discussed, starting with a small network segment before expanding to your entire infrastructure. Additional resources include requests for comments 3411 through 3418 for SNMP version 3 documentation, Net-SNMP documentation and tutorials, Internet Engineering Task Force SNMP Working Group papers, Net-SNMP Open Source SNMP implementation, SNMP MIB browser for exploring MIB structures, Wireshark for analyzing SNMP traffic. Advanced topics include creating custom MIBs for specialized monitoring, SNMP in cloud and virtualized environments, and integration with automation frameworks. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.